Have you ever said something to your cat and they just blinked at you like you spoke Martian? Here's the truth. Most humans are speaking cat language completely wrong. And that could be why your cat is ignoring you, getting annoyed, or even walking away mid-conversation. Today, we're uncovering 7 common cat words humans say wrong and exactly how to fix them. And trust me, once you get it right, your cat will finally understand you and maybe even talk back. Let's decode the mystery together. Number 1. No doesn't mean no. Let's be honest. How many times have you said no to your cat, only for them to look at you, blink, and keep doing exactly what you told them not to? You tell them no scratching, but the couch still suffers. No jumping, yet they leap onto the counter with zero guilt. Here's the truth. Cats do not process the word no the way we think they do. Unlike dogs, cats don't respond naturally to verbal correction. A study published in Animal Cognition found that cats are far more sensitive to tone and timing than to the actual words we use. So when you say no, they don't hear "stop doing that." They just hear some noise. And often it doesn't mean anything to them emotionally. Want to do it right? Use a short, sharp, attention-catching sound instead, like psst, or a quick clap, and immediately redirect them to an allowed behavior, like scratching their post. In my home, my cat Coco used to climb the curtains daily. But once I replaced no with a firm ah and gently placed her by the cat tree, she finally stopped. It's not about scolding, it's about clarity. Your cat doesn't need punishment, like they need communication. Have you ever tried using a sound instead of a word? Tell us in the comments if it worked. Number 2, come here isn't universal. You pat the couch and say, "Come here." Your cat looks at you, blinks, and walks away. Why? Because come here doesn't mean anything to them, unless you've taught it. Unlike dogs who are trained to follow commands, cats need association. They respond to consistency, tone, and, most of all, rewards. Researchers from Tokyo University showed that cats do recognize human voices, especially their owners, but they respond only when there's positive motivation. Instead of just saying, "Come here," try pairing the phrase with something rewarding. Shake the treat bag. Use a happy, high-pitched tone, say, "Let's go," or "Time to eat." The same way, every day. One of our viewers, Maya, told us her cat now runs from any room the moment she says, "Want some snacks?" Why? Because that phrase means good things are coming. Cats aren't stubborn. They're just specific. Give your words meaning, and they'll start listening. What phrase does your cat respond to the most? Drop it in the comments. And share your trick with the cat community. Number 3, good kitty means nothing. We all love saying it, good kitty. It just feels natural. But does it mean anything to your cat? Not unless you've given it meaning. Cats don't understand praise the way humans or even dogs do. They don't automatically know that good kitty is a compliment. Animal behaviorists explain that cats respond to repetition paired with positive reinforcement. In other words, if every time you say good kitty, you also pet them or give them a treat, they'll begin to associate those words with comfort, love, and safety. Imagine this. Your cat curls up beside you. You softly say, "Good kitty," while gently stroking their head. That warmth, that safety, it locks in. Do this often, and soon those words will become a reward. But if you just throw out "good kitty" randomly, with no affection or follow-up, it's just noise. Try pairing good kitty with slow blinks and calm petting. You'll be surprised how your cat reacts over time. Have you ever seen your cat purr right after hearing your voice? That's not a coincidence, and that's communication. Number 4, calling their name like a dog. Luna! Come here, Luna! That's great for dogs, not so much for cats. Cats do recognize their names, but only when it's paired with reward or repetition. Say their name softly during calm moments. Luna, good girl, then offer a gentle stroke. This builds emotional association, not command pressure. Number 5, the angry voice mistake. Here's a big one. Yelling never works. Cats hear 5 times better than humans, so what feels like a stern voice to you sounds terrifying to them. Next time your cat misbehaves, lower your voice. Use calm authority, not anger. They'll trust you more and respond better. Number 6, overusing baby talk. Who's a fuzzy little baby? You are. It might feel sweet, but constant baby talk can actually confuse adult cats. Use natural speech rhythms. Your cat listens to pitch, repetition, and body cues, not your words alone. Mix affection with clear gestures, like slow blinking while saying love you. That's real cat talk. Number 7. Using no words at all. Sometimes we say nothing. We assume cats don't need words. But silence can mean detachment in the feline world. Cats meow mostly to communicate with humans, not with other cats. So your responses matter. Talk to them. Even if they don't talk back, they're always listening. Now you know the 7 words humans say wrong to cats, and how to fix them. The more we learn to speak their language, the closer we get to a stronger, deeper bond. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone. And if you want to truly understand your cat's secret language, watch our next video. 10 cat sounds and what they really mean. Until then, keep speaking with love, and your cat will speak back.